Alright everybody, so I'm going to make a video here how to program the remote on a Ford Cmax. It'll probably work for some of the other models that are based on that little style. Now this is for a 2015 hybrid Cmax. It does use the key and has a little remote. Now I'm not doing it in the car because I didn't film when I did it, sorry. No big deal. It's not rocket science. Cmax doesn't show you anything on the dash anyway. I didn't get any notification it was ready to program. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your key in. Now yours may be either 4, meaning 4 of what I show you now, or 8. The reason I say 4 or 8 is I did one for one friend's Cmax. It was a 2016 and it worked on 4. And then I did a 2015 and it worked on 8. So you may have to try one of the two ways. Again, if you follow anybody else's directions, the Cmax does not give you a ding, nothing. Okay, you're going to do is you're going to get in your car, make sure both front seat belts are buckled so you don't hear nothing. And leave your doors unlocked but closed. You're going to take your new key that's cut. Now remember, these directions are only to program your remote control. I used the top-down T-Ninja 1000 to program the actual key RFID. So that was done through the computer. But for the remote is manual. The top-down doesn't do it. You will put your key into the ignition that's cut. You will not turn the car on. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once it goes to off, you may look over to your left side of your dashboard and see a yellow light blink. At that time immediately you will hit any of these buttons. So that should make it your doors lock or unlock, whatever. Then you go to your next key. That key, you will hit that too. Then you go to the next key and hit it again. If you have 10 keys, you will hit 10 times. Otherwise, the keys you do not hit this with will not work. And when you are programming this, you must have all the keys with the remotes for your car with you to program them. Okay? It's not rocket science. I'm sure y'all be good. If I can do it, I know you can do it. And yeah, I'm kind of slowly building up a little bit of stuff. I got this garage sale this summer, 20 bucks. Tell me I did not get a deal, and it works like a champ. It's even got a nice clean new wheel on it, and everything works. Just need to oil it up a little. Look at that. A little oil on it, it'll be fine. It does slide. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you, and have a great day.